Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include premium sound system, leather seats, sun moonroof, cooled seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2015 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.